Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Biryani. Begin by rinsing 2 cups basmati rice and soaking for 30 minutes, then marinate meat with 1 cup yogurt and spices. Fry thinly sliced onions until deep golden and crisp, and chop fresh herbs. Measure whole spices like cinnamon and cloves. Keep broth warm and ready for layering so the assembly moves quickly and evenly. Heat enough water to parboil rice until grains are about 70% done, then drain and set aside. In a heavy pan, brown meat with whole spices, then simmer until tender and the gravy is thick and flavorful. Always taste and adjust salt and heat now. Reserve a cup of the Aromatic cooking liquid to sprinkle between layers and to steam the biryani for consistent moisture and aroma. Start layering with a base of meat, then add parboiled rice, fried onions, herbs, and a light drizzle of reserved broth. Repeat layers and finish with saffron milk or a few drops of rose water if you like. Seal the pot well with dough or foil to trap steam, then cook on the lowest heat for 20 to 30 minutes so flavors meld and the rice finishes perfectly with tender meat throughout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.